What's the biggest issue for FedEx right now?
Yeah, so it looks like investors are taking money off the table. The stock is up about 65% year to date. It's had a really great year. The reality here is that their express business just really missed expectations, and people are kind of scratching their head. Management announced a new strategy where they're parsing their air freight network into 3 separate networks, which they're color coding to make it easier for people like me to understand. And they're separating the priority networks and deferred networks and kind of the networks where they lean on third-party providers. The reality is that their margins were between 1% and 2% in that business, and where UPS has double-digit margins. And it's not apples to apples when you're comparing UPS's international business with FedEx Express, but you got to have to wonder, like, why are their margins so low for so long? The good news is that management is making some progress at its Drive and Network 2.0 initiatives, which are looking to take out around $6 billion in costs. We expect that to continue. They're expecting about $1.8 billion in costs to be taken out in their fiscal 2024. So, the story here on FedEx is execution. People want to see the express business margins improve, and they don't want to hear excuses that the backdrop is weak. They want to see it improve. And also some good news for FedEx is that some of the share gains that they won in their less than truckload business, which is called freight, it's the largest LTL business in North America, and its ground business, when it won some business from UPS before the UPS strike, that business has been, looks like to be somewhat sticky. So that's good news for FedEx from a market share standpoint.